here, I'm going to have some disconnections. Do you see how this isn't connecting? How there's these pieces? And what I love to do is right about where this blonde stuff was starting, okay? So right from the middle here, instead of over-directing just to the previous, so I cut section 1 up and over, I brought 2 to 1, I brought 3 to 1, I brought 4 to 1, I brought 5 to 1, and therefore that's what allowed me then to have a lot more spray going over what was already cut. Now, I also know that cutting hair shorter, short hair is stronger than longer hair. It's not going to have as much movement in it. Longer hair, there's a lot more movement and shape to it. And so as I'm creating a focal point for her, shorter underneath, this hair's not going to move as much. Longer now, bits hanging over it with more length on it, they're going to have a little bit more shimmy and shape. And oh, that's going to call the boys in, right? So as Tiffany's walking around, guys are going to be watching her just shake it up. She's walking. And it's a method of creating focal points in the haircut. Now what I have